Hello, welcome to Simply Math. Today I'll show you how to solve the absolute value inequalities. Let's look at our example for today. Whenever you have an absolute value, to solve it, you always have two scenarios. So you're always going to rewrite everything inside the bracket. So we're just going to put 4 minus 2x on both sides because we're not doing anything with it. The first scenario, we're just going to rewrite everything that they give you. So less than or equals to 2. On the other side, you have to do the negation of what they give you. So this is a less than or equals to. We're going to do a greater than or equal to. And then the 2, we're going to do a negative 2. And the reason for this is that if you look at the number line, and let's say 2 is right here, this is 0, and this is negative 2. Whatever is inside the absolute value bracket, this is just a number. And this number can be either positive or negative. When you find the absolute value of this number, it all becomes positive. And then think about the absolute value as a distance from 0. So let's say if this number is a positive, the distance would be from here to 2. And so this number can be anywhere from 1 or 1.5 or 0.5 or any number between 0 and 2 because it's less than or equals to 2. However, if this is a negative number, then the absolute value of it, or the distance from 0, is going to be the same distance. So it's going to be from 0 to negative 2. So this number can be anywhere from negative 1, or negative 0.5, or negative 1.5. And this is the second scenario, where we said the number has to be greater than or equals to negative 2. So negative 1 is greater than or equals to negative 2 because it's a less negative. So now that we already set up the two scenarios, we're just going to solve for x. So remember, when you're trying to isolate a variable, you're trying to eliminate all the terms that being connected to the term with the variable by an addition or subtraction. So we're going to get rid of the 4. This is a positive 4. So we're going to subtract 4. And remember to do it on both sides. So 4 subtract 4 cancel out. You're going to have negative 2x is less than or equals to 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And then after that, you're going to divide everything by negative 2. Remember with inequalities, whenever you divide by a negative number, you have to flip the sign. And so negative 2 divided by negative 2 is just a 1x. And then the sign will be flipped. Negative 2 over negative 2, it's just 1. So we're going to solve the other side. Again, we're going to subtract 4 on both sides. So we have negative 2x is greater than or equals to negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. And then again, you're going to divide by negative 2. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is just 1x. And then remember to flip the sign because we're dividing by a negative number. Negative 6 divided by negative 2, the negatives cancel out. 6 divided by 2 is just 3. So we found that x has to be greater than or equals to 1, and then less than or equals to 3. We can rewrite this as x can be between 1 and 3, including 1 and 3. So how does this look like on a graph? If the graph is just a number line of x, then you can say that x can be 1 because we have an equal sign, so we're going to have a closed circle, meaning including 1. And then the same thing here at 3. And then we're going to shade everything in between. If it is an actual graph of an equation, let's say the actual graph looks something like this, then when we only take 1 to 3, let's say 1 is right here, 3 is right here, then we only graph this part of the graph. I hope this has been helpful, guys. If you have any questions or any topics that you would like me to make a video of, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.